Ever dreamt of turning your artistic vision into a wearable masterpiece, even if you're just starting out in the world of print on demand? Today, we're demystifying the process of crafting a stunning hoodie on Printify, focusing on design elements, perfecting your mockups, and understanding print areas to ensure your first fashion statement is a hit. First, navigate to the Printify catalog, select your desired hoodie €, considering material and fit €, and click Start Designing to enter the design studio. Now for your design, upload your high-resolution artwork. Remember to choose file types like PNG with transparent backgrounds for best results. Drag and drop your design onto the hoodie. Pay close attention to the red outline that appears, which indicates the maximum printable area. You want your design to fit comfortably within these boundaries, leaving adequate margins. Don't forget the back of your hoodie, or even the sleeves. If applicable, a small brand logo or a unique detail can truly elevate the overall design. Once your design is placed, head over to the mockup generation section. This is where your flat design comes to life on realistic models. Experiment with different model shots and backgrounds to showcase your hoodie in the best possible light. High-quality mockups are crucial for attracting customers and conveying the appeal of your design. Review your design carefully on all angles and mockups before saving. Double-check that all elements are centered, proportioned, and exactly where you want them to be. And just like that, you're ready to publish your unique hoodie to your online store. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to designing amazing apparel and building your print and mint empire.